Welcome children to our YouTube channel. Today we will solve some multiple choice question. Here the first question is 27 divided by minus 81 in a standard form. Now what is the standard form? Standard form is a numerator and denominator both have a common factor only 1. In 27 divided by minus 81, there is no common factor, only 1. So, we reduce this term. Here, we solve this problem. 27 divided by minus 81. 9 3s are 21 minus 9 multiply by 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 9 cut. 3 3 the 9 is equal to 1 by minus 3 minus 1 by 3. So our answer is minus 1 by 3. Here also in D given minus 1 by 3. So both are our answer. So I think children you understand 27 by minus 81 there is a common factor is 3, 9. So not only 1. So convert this number in such a way that the common factor is only 1. So minus 1 by 3. Here factor is 1 and here factor is 1 and 3. So the common factor is a 1. Now in second MCQ, if x by 6 is equal to 4 divided by minus 3, then what value of x? Now we find the value of x. Now x by 6 is equal to 4 by minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to, here the 6 is division, so we change the side, so it go in multiplication. Therefore, 4 multiplied by 6 divided by minus 3. Now, 3 2s are. Therefore, 4 2s are 8 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 8, which is our answer. Therefore, minus 8 is our answer. Now, in third MCQ, 3 by 15 in the standard form. Here, in 3 by 15, the common factor is 3. Now, for the standard factor, the common factor for denominator and numerator is only 1. Therefore, 3 by 5 we convert into reduced form is equal to 3 divided by 5 multiply by 3. 3 3 cut is equal to 1 by 5. So the standard form of 3 by 15 is a 1 by 5. Our answer is a B. Now children, point 60 can be written as 6 by 10, 6 by 100, 6 by 1000, none of these. Now we can understand what happen when decimal is come in the number. Now decimal on the right side, 1 by 10, tenth, 1 by 100th, 1 by 1000, then 1 by 10,000. On this side, 10, 100, 1000, dot 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 10,000. So on this side, 1 by 10th, 1 by 100th, 1 by 1000. So here the decimal is 0.60. 0.60 is on 1 by 100 place. So the answer is 0.60 is equal to 60 by 100. 0, 0 cut is equal to 6 by 10. So our answer is A, 6 by 10. Now children, additive, the next sum is additive inverse of 21 by 5. Additive inverse means positive numbers become negative. A become minus A and minus A become plus A. Here the number is 21 by 5. So it's become minus 21 by 5. So our answer is a E, minus 21 by 5. Now in this sum, the product of two rational number is minus 21 by 40. If one number is 7 by 5, then other number. Now product of two numbers. One number is 7 by 5. Product means multiplication of two numbers. Here one number is 7 by 5. Therefore 7 by 5. Now let assume the other number is x is equal to product means answer. After the multiplication what come result. So here the result is minus 21 by 40. Therefore x is equal to minus 21 by 40. Now 5 is in division, so on this side it comes in multiplication, and 7 is in multiplication, on this side it comes in division. Now 7 3s are 21, 8 5s are 40. Therefore x is equal to minus 3 by 8, which is our answer. So here minus 3 by 8 is our answer. Now the reciprocal of minus 7 is, now reciprocal means inverse. A, reciprocal of A is 1 by A, and reciprocal of 1 by A is A. That means inverse. Now here the reciprocal of minus 7. Therefore minus 7 is equal to 1 by minus 7, which is our answer. Here the C is our answer. Thank you children for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.